Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to tell you guys like what is the procedure of like getting Android apps in Windows 11. So as of now the Android app option is available in only US. As I'm not from US, that's why I cannot access it, but how you can access it I'm gonna tell you guys. First you have to like go to Amazon App Store, search for Amazon App Store in Microsoft Store page, and then you can just select on the redeem a code. It is showing Amazon App Store is currently not available because I'm not from US, and this App Store currently works in US only, as it is the preview version. So you can like use it in like some other ways, like you can try using US VPN and like try to redeem this store. So after you have you will like redeem this store, you can like open it from Microsoft Store, and you will find all the Android apps, like many Android apps, not all the Android apps, like which are available in the Amazon App Store. You can like use them. So that's how you like basically can access Amazon App Store. I would suggest you to like try installing a US VPN and try to like download this app or buy this app. I think it has a price. That's why it is like saying redeem a code. But there are some other ways to access Android apps as well. I'm not talking about the emulators. There is a like unofficial build of Google Play Store available now. I'm gonna make a tutorial on that soon, and that tutorial will be not like this. That will be like a full tutorial, because that software is available in everywhere, and that's an open source software. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment, and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.